Good afternoon, folks. As you can see, we are dealing with probably the second worst blizzard we've had so far this year. I mean, look at this. I step out and look. That's how far it comes up to me. And I'm gonna shovel all this stuff. Unbelievable. And if you need to be out, please take your time. Good evening, folks. All I gotta say is, what a day. Now look at how deep this snow is. Comes right up my leg. As you can see, we have a lot more shoveling to go. This is unbelievable. This was a very moisture-laden nor'easter. And believe it or not, there's actually another one that'll come in midweek, so you're going to want to stay tuned on that. Also, tomorrow, if you're going to be sledding, definitely bundle up, because it's going to feel pretty cold even though the snow's gone. Good afternoon, everybody. This is a live video from my neighborhood in the middle of our third major snow. And this is unprecedented for this time of the year, because I've never remembered a winter where we've had three major storms for the price of one. But as you can see here, we are getting super coated with everything. And the kind of snow is falling right now that's making all this white out is a packed powder. But like I said, the winds are picking up substantially. This is what you need to be on the lookout for if you're going to be out and about this afternoon and tonight. I have been getting reports coming in of some thunder snow. So this storm is really meaning business. And a blizzard warning continues until about 12 midnight tonight. But as you can see, we are really in the middle of it. Our third major storm, still snowing like crazy. Now how much do we have? We got I'd say we had about 7 inches, but we are certainly adding on. And look at all these trees. Good evening, folks. As you can see, we are in a blizzard. A full-fledged mammoth blizzard. Just look at this. This is a packed powder kind of snow, and it's blowing it back and forth like it's nothing but a bullet or something. And look at this. Snow's coming up my roof. And the power's been going off and on several times. This is ridiculous. Oh, you can see the tree sloping it. This is bad. Just look at that. The wind is just howling. Oh my... Oh my God. That's whiteout. Excuse me. Oh my God, look at this. We got whiteout conditions right in our own backyard. And listen to that wind. It's just blowing the snow and making it snow like this. Just look at it. Look, you can't even see my neighbor's home. God. Holy crap, man. They said this was a whopper. This is a whopper. Well, look at this. Don't very many people out today. It's an obvious reason why. As you can see over here, there's so much snow building up, the trees are coming down. And take a look at my bush here. Looks like somebody put freezing rain all over this stuff. Oh, here comes another gust. Sounds like a freight train. But look at this. This is the reason why I told you if you were going out, be extremely careful or don't even go out at all. Man. Hear it? Here it comes. Oh my God. Wow. Holy crap. Okay, just lost the neighbors. Just lost the neighbor's house. Well, look at this. Look at that. It is freaking white out. Uh-oh. Listen. Oh my God. Oh my God. Can't even see a dang thing right now. Now look, you can't see the, you can't see the barbellas, can't see the singers. Man. Oh, this is bad. We are in the blizzard of 2010 to sequel. We've got epic whiteout conditions right outside my yard. Right outside my house. This is bad. Real bad. Shoot, here comes another gust. Oh my God. It is everywhere. Look at this. Look at this. It is epic whiteout. Oh my God. It is epic. So dang epic. Feels like you're in a movie or something, but you're not. You're looking live. Well, it looks like I'm back. I'm going to show you that as well. Coming up.